After registering your account in the app, you can either create a new organization or wait to be invited by an existing one. To create an organization, click Create a New Organization. Then, enter the organization's name, email, country, phone number, and address. You can also select a time zone and zip code. Next, specify the number of employees in your organization and choose your industry. On the second page, you can create new locations and add their addresses. On the third page of the onboarding process, you can invite users to join your organization. Once your organization is successfully created, you can choose a plan, either free or base. If you select base, you can activate a 14-day free trial. Alternatively, you can select the free plan and use the system at no cost. Enjoy using the app.